Whoa, what was that? Check it out, guys. We got the new J2. This is the old one. We got the FX9630 from Feixiong, manufactured by Shenzhen Quanzhou Hull Technology. This is from the same place too, from the J-20 Fun Store. So I believe they're all 2S now, so we don't have to worry about the 1S. Real nice snazzy pizza box. High speed passion. High speed passion. Yeah, it's really sweet though. It feels like something quality. Well, let's get her open up. Compare it to the 1S version real quick. I just want to compare the ESCs, and then we're going to take this for a test drive and go fly it and have fun. We have a new ESC coming for that eventually here. Box down here. This one's real simple. It's real nice to put together too. It's not a kit, it comes ready to go. All you gotta do is put 2 fins in and the tires, charge your battery, get 3 AA in the controller. Here's your charger. Let's take a look at that real fast. It doesn't say. These are really like 1.2, 1.3 amp an hour chargers. Found one of those old chargers. 1.3 amps an hour. That's what kind of charger you get for that little 380 milliamp an hour battery. And I believe the battery's right in here. Be careful, that piece can break real easy. Make sure to get super glue. Oh sweet, here it is. 380 milliamp 7.4, not 400 milliamp 380. It's 2 380 milliamp 3.7s put together. You got your standard balance charger. This is kind of a fast charger for this. I think it would have been better off. They should put a 500 milliamp, one of these 500 milliamp suckers in there. Here's the Axial SCX24 battery that I tried running in this, you know. Now we got 2 batteries though. It's quite a bit different style battery. A lot of people have been cutting it out, running bigger batteries. You'll see in the reviews, people have been showing that off. And then also, you can add a little weight here. There's little tricks. But my best advice is to put it together exactly how it is, and then you can tune it how you like it from there. Ain't that right, big guy? You got some on your face there. Oh yeah, oh, you got some on your face there. And the review. He's my buddy. We play. He's a tough guy though. He's the boss. Oh yeah, and then you put your nose going on. See, you can just pop it on, right? Just slide it on. It will definitely fall off. Super glue it, do something. I haven't seen somebody hit a zip tie. Let's take a look at the owner's manual real quick. And it even has an ABC mode. It's not really translated yet. Here's your throttle. Keep it in the middle. You got both motors. Here's your steering. Your up and down, left, right. See, oh, this is not a button. I think the original controller had an R1 button, but it didn't do nothing. I found the original controller here, and it does have a R1. The 2S, there's nothing there, but they still left that button, so they took that button out. All right, see if they all click and stuff. I put 3 AA's in it already. A couple of these screws were really loose. I don't know if, oh, my bad. This is how you turn it on, right there. It came to me in B. I think the other one flew with B the best too. So I'm gonna start off like this, and I'll just kind of press buttons and figure stuff out and let you know as we go. Close here at the difference. Here's 1S, 2S. Our 1S battery was, what was it? It was 800 milliamp. Why didn't they just put two 800 milliamps together? Right? 380s. They could have had two 800s. It's a little bit smaller than, this is only 350 milliamp 2S. This is 800 milliamp 1S. 380 milliamp 2S again. 7.4, 3.7, 7.4. Here's our ESCs. Oh yeah, the 2S, the 2S mainboard here is much larger than the 1S. It's about twice the size. Has a much larger capacitor right there. This one has extra plugs right here. 3-wire and a 3-wire. This one doesn't have any extra plugs. They both use 3-wire servos. Can we add more flaps to this? What are those for then? What are those for? Here's our antenna. See that clear piece there? It's 2.4 gigahertz. Alright, well, let's get her put together. Otherwise, it's exactly the same. And I believe the new mainboard will be a 2S. So I'll be able to just plug it right in there. That'd be cool. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, the same motor. 2S, 1S. Yeah, same motors. There we go, like that. Like that. I'll just pop these in there. Very nice. Very nice fit. Yeah. And everything fits together nice. And then we get our feet out here. This way fits the best here. Yep. Look at that. And you want it to a little loop goes up to the top. See the loop there. Nice and flush. She rolls nice. Sweet, we're ready to go. About 45 degrees there. It's not too windy out. There's no on and off switch, so I believe it turns right on. You guys are going to witness the first power up. I haven't even seen if it worked yet. Just a controller. That was the 1S we were playing with again. This is the 2S. Throttle, push it up, down, and now you're unlocked. You should have power. Oh yeah. Holy crap, that is 2S power, I think. That sounds pretty good. Here we go, guys. And pull up, pull up, pull up. Oh, it took the... We made it work. Alright, here we go. This nosediver. Can I nosedive it? Now we're going into the wind right now. Just for your reference. Yeah, she's a little... She needs a little more weight in the nose, for sure. I can't get the nose down. Let's come closer. Let's do some cool landings. Holy cow, that was pretty fast. I got her going. That's pretty good. You can get her going pretty good. Like that right there. Ooh, nice. Remember us doesn't practice landings? Let's try our landings. Oh no. Whoa. Well, I forgot to try the power button up here. That was a good first cycle for this battery. That first flight was pretty good. About 10 minutes long, huh? Just could have kept on going. So I think the 12-minute advertised flight time is about right. It's pretty good for a 380 milliamp battery. Now I also have the heavy side of the battery towards the front as much as possible. Cool thing with this controller is you can use gloves. You can drive this one on the ground. She goes pretty good with barely any throttle too. See, she flaps up the inside one. Outside thrust, inside rudder. That's cool. Think we can take off here? She gets on the ground really good. And we'll turn. Pick up some speed. Wide open. And pull up. Oh, like a boss. Now we can get some drive-bys. This thing flies awesome, guys. You gotta kind of aim down the whole time. Get that speed built up and then keep her smooth. Oh, wow. Maybe she does need a little front weight, but we'll figure that out. This is awesome. Oh, wow. That's cool. When you turn, it gives it more throttle, so. That's so cool. It's really easy to land too. Oh no! Till we get back out of that slush. Come on, baby. Uh-oh. I think I lost connection. Ooh, I gotta be really careful here. It's really deep. We gotta get closer and not fall through the ice. I was hoping to find some water for the Besgar HP161 as well. Maybe we can get closer and she'll get signal again. There we go. Oh. We got a dead battery? Or we're just losing signal here? We lost signal. Alright, wide open. Wide open. Pull back. Oh, she just can't get enough speed in that slush. Don't have enough battery left. Oh yeah, we're running out of battery. That was low battery. We gotta get the other battery. We can drive back anyways. That's really cool. Come on, baby, get some speed. Get some speed for the water here. Perfect. We just had a drone right up here checking us out. Is he still up? Trying to hurry up here. We'll fly with you, buddy. Just gotta squish it in there. Sweet. I know it works good. We gotta de-ice real quick here. Gotta weigh it down. Oh. Turn, turn, turn. There we go. We got it. Full power. Oh! Oh, that messed us up. On it once. Oh, that was not good. Alright. There we go. Let's go to A. I don't really notice anything. Seems like we're down on power. Yeah, we don't have the power as the other battery. I can barely keep her in the air. Is she too heavy now or something? There we go. There we go. I think it was a little wet and heavy too. Probably a little of both. Trying to keep my speed. It definitely likes the other battery better. Oh yeah, she cut out. What is that beep? 1S1 did that too. Whoa! My finger slipped off the... Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! We crushed it. Oh man, it's slippery and I'm soaked. Whoa! Oh man! We got the wheels. Oh no, we lost the wheel. I better unplug it. Oh man. The ice gave way. We gotta be careful now. Yeah, it's a little too deep. I think we're good. I think I'll just steal the other wheel. Crazy. I borrowed the front wheel from the other plane, and we're just like new again. Thank goodness. Survived the iceberg. We're about to do battery number 4 here. I put new AA's in, or different newer AA's in the controller here. We might have been having a low battery problem with this thing too. But the controller's tough. And I just fully charged these, and they're warm indoor temp still. I'm gonna try this one again, do a quick fly, and then we'll put this one in. And I'm gonna keep this warm in my pocket. I'm still not sure exactly what the heck A, B, and C do, but let's start off in A. Will she even fly? Uh-oh. Oh, I couldn't stop. Should be okay. I let off with enough room there. Yeah, we're okay. Alright, you saw that? Let's switch the batteries here. This must be a pretty decent battery, because this doesn't have nothing compared to this. This puts out way more juice. You can hear it. You can hear it too, can't you? Alright, there we go. We're still in A. Way snap here. Whoa. Let's get her pointed straight. Take off here. Oh yeah, way easier. Okay, that's A. I'm going to B. Oh, A likes to really go up. When I hit B, it leveled off. Got a little breeze up there. Going into the wind. Wham! Whoa! Yeah, this battery has a lot more power. I'm gonna get over the field here and go into C. Alright, we're in C. Whoa! C, when I went to C, I lost all my helpers, and it just... Good luck with that. Did we survive? Looks to be okay. Just bent the tire a little bit. Yeah. Now with this good battery, she should do a good, I'm gonna put her back in B. She should do a good little, hand takeoff here. Oh, wow. That's like the 2S thrust in the 1S version. I think it has the same exact motors. Yeah, it seems powerful. Oh yeah, easy peens. Well, now we can stand in the middle and fly. Yeah. Nose her down a little. You gotta let off almost. And then she accelerates really good. Whoa. Oh. I don't know why hiccups. But uh-oh. Uh-oh. We lost signal. Come back, baby. Whoa, we just got signal. Whoa. Whoa. Lucky she has some power. That was a close one. I better get some new batteries. Oh yeah, we're having signal problems here. Uh-oh. Oh, come on. Come back, baby. Good landing. Woo. Yeah, we're having some issues here, but we landed really nice. Let's look at this glove and go get her. That was awesome. And if I sound funny, I'm talking with the cigarette butt in my mouth. Well, let's just fly her close. It's like a 1/8 arm and fraction flying around in the air. It's pretty big. Oh! Let me see if I can fly low some more. Let's take big corners. Wow. It's pretty fast, guys. Trying to fly straight up. And up. Oh, this loses the power. Let's try again. Yeah, you gotta let off. I'm pointing her down, come on. The gloves are kind of in the way. There we go. Uh-oh. Cut out. There we go. Whoa, we touch and go in the grass. Go in the grass. We're just going so dang fast. Oh, I'm trying to get these banks right. And come back down. See, she wants. After the bank, she tries to incline. And I want her. See, go down. If I could get her to point down right after that corner, I could keep my speed up better. Ooh, baby. Should we do a dirt landing? Awesome, guys. Yeah, this one's awesome. After 4 good flights, maybe 5, but we didn't really use the whole little battery. Those are just kind of tests. She's a ripper. After those flights, we still got a nice looking plane. Pretty durable. Even got crushed by a glacier. What do you know? Here's the thing I was talking about. I found it. This looks like it has one of those deals. This one doesn't fit, it's too small, but come on guys, give us a nice camera that you could actually fly FPV with. Wouldn't that be cool? And like a 30-minute flight time, so you could actually go fly it around places, FPV, and then come back. Oh yes, that'd be great. What would you like to see him add to this thing? Lights, sound effects, some smoke? Make it bigger, faster, cheaper? What do you think? Let us know. Much more to come though. I think up next we're going to check out some slingshots.